Once a famous model, Birisanti Nito is now facing controversies. From winning Mrs. India International to becoming the Zilla Parishad chairperson of Kamle, the allegations in July 2024 have impacted her life. The Arunachal Pradesh Women's Welfare Society, APWWS, has requested the Arunachal Pradesh State Commission for Women, APSCW, to investigate these allegations. In March 2025, Nito's troubles escalated when she made a statement about polygamy. At an International Women's Day event, she said that if a woman does not cook for her husband, the man can marry another woman. This statement received many reactions. APWWS and APSCW criticized her statement, calling her old-fashioned. This reaction also became a topic of discussion. This incident highlighted the complex issue of polygamy in Arunachal Pradesh, which is trying to balance tradition, modernity, and women's rights. While the investigation into Nito's actions is ongoing, this case points to a larger issue that needs attention. Polygamy casts a long shadow over many communities in Arunachal Pradesh. It is against the Constitution of India, yet it persists in many areas. Polygamy, where a man has multiple wives, is more common, while polyandry, where a woman has multiple husbands, is less frequently observed. According to the National Family Health Survey, polygamy has decreased in Arunachal Pradesh in recent years. However, the figures are still concerning. Between 2019 and 2021, 3.7% of married women reported that their husbands had other wives. This figure is significantly higher than the national average of 1.4%. In some districts, such as Kradadi, East Kameng, Papumpare, and Kurungkume, polygamy is even more prevalent. To understand why polygamy has persisted, we need to look at the cultural, social, and economic aspects of Arunachal Pradesh. Since ancient times, polygamy has been recognized for various reasons in some tribes. In some communities, having multiple wives was considered a symbol of wealth and prestige. A large family, especially with many sons, was seen as beneficial for agrarian societies. More sons meant more hands to work the fields and increase the family's wealth. Additionally, the practice of bride price, where the groom's family received gifts from the bride's family, also played a role. A man with multiple wives could accumulate more wealth through bride price, further enhancing his status. In India, whether polygamy is legally right or wrong is a complex issue. According to the Indian Penal Code, having two marriages is a crime, but old customs often override the country's laws. The sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution grants some autonomy to tribal areas to manage their affairs, including personal matters like marriage and inheritance. This creates a strange situation where customs considered wrong by national law are deemed right under the old laws of some communities. This is why polygamy continues, leaving many women vulnerable and without legal support. This clash between national laws and old customs questions the fundamental rights given by the Constitution, especially the right to equality before the law, the right to non-discrimination, and the right to life and liberty. APWWS. In Arunachal Pradesh, APWWS is a beacon of hope in the fight against polygamy and for women's rights. Established in 1979, this organization works to empower women and advocate for social justice. Their work spans issues like child marriage, domestic violence, education, and political participation. Over the years, APWWS has achieved several significant milestones. They have played a crucial role in documenting old customs to make these traditions more equitable. Their efforts led to the introduction of a bill in 1984 to curb polygamy. APWWS also helped establish the Arunachal Pradesh State Commission for Women, APSCW, in 2005, creating a robust mechanism to address women's issues. Their work is not limited to changing laws. APWWS economically empowers women through self-help groups and microloans. They run awareness campaigns, challenge old mindsets, and promote gender equality. To tackle the old practice of polygamy, Arunachal Pradesh can learn from the successes of other states. For instance, Goa has a law that applies to everyone, regardless of their religion. This law completely bans polygamy. Uttarakhand has also enacted a law to prohibit polygamy. In Nagaland, religious organizations have played a crucial role in curbing this practice. Meghalaya's approach to improving old laws for women is also instructive. Kerala focuses on economically empowering women, which has reduced gender inequality and polygamy. Learning from these successful methods, several steps need to be taken to address the issue of polygamy in Arunachal Pradesh. Like in Goa and Uttarakhand, A specific law to prevent polygamy is necessary. This law should be simple, clear, and easy to enforce. It is essential to engage with religious leaders and tribal councils to change people's mindset. These individuals can help in preventing polygamy and promoting monogamy. Additionally, amending old laws, as Meghalaya has done, is necessary to ensure they align with principles of equality and non-discrimination. These laws should clearly outline women's rights in marriage, inheritance, and property. Biri Santinido's case has brought the issue of polygamy to the forefront, but this problem is much larger than any one individual. Stopping polygamy requires a significant change that challenges patriarchal thinking and empowers women. Economic independence for women is crucial. When women have access to education, skill development, and earning opportunities, they are less likely to be trapped in harmful relationships. Investing in women's economic empowerment is not just a matter of social justice but also a sound economic strategy. Awareness campaigns are essential to highlight the negative impacts of polygamy on women, children, and society as a whole. These campaigns can challenge outdated beliefs, promote gender equality, and encourage people to commit to monogamous marriages. Removing polygamy from Arunachal Pradesh is difficult but not impossible. For this, the government, social organizations, religious leaders, and common people must work together. By enacting strict laws, empowering women, and changing old mindsets, a future is possible where everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Biri Santinido's story reminds us of the challenges related to gender equality in India, but it should not overshadow the larger struggle against polygamy and for the protection of everyone's dignity and rights.